Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking of myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
Good morning. Let's get ready for the day.
You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just cannot forget about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Doing me space, yeah, maybe a break, boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking of myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason.
Look how beautiful this bowl is. So beautiful. I like to have a little snack before I head to the gym, so we're gonna start a little fruit bowl. I like to put yogurt and some fruit in mine. That was so good, so tasty, never gets old. We're actually gonna head to Pilates, and when I get back, we're gonna juice for the week. Also, I definitely want to say that this video is not about counting calories, because we don't count calories around here, we just be vibing. So I'm just putting on my Apple Watch to keep track of my workout for today. I love it. Calvin also got an Apple Watch, so we're always like connected, and like we haven't competed yet because I feel like it's unfair, but we might compete one day. We just might. I'm gonna head to Pilates. You guys know I can't record in my gym. I'll try to catch little moments here and there. When we get back, we will prep everything. I feel like I'm too intimidated to prep things before I go to the gym. I feel like I have to think this through, and also it's my first time using this juicer. So I got a new juicer. The juice is gonna be so good. I'm gonna head out. I'm not ready. I'm not ready, but you know what's gonna get me ready? Pre-workout. This is my favorite pre-workout at the moment. It tastes so good. It literally tastes like Kool-Aid. Like, this is crazy, but I only use half a scoop or a third of a scoop because a full scoop is just not for me. It gives you a great pump too. I'm gonna prepare a little pre-workout and then be on my way.
When you just went in my
I'm enjoying recording this video, you guys. Like, this is my kind of shit, okay? Like, yes, I can romanticize food any day. Like, I love food. So I had the fruit bowl for breakfast, and now I'm about to have some eggs, some veggie bacon, a side of sweet potatoes. Oh my gosh, I've been enjoying sweet potatoes for breakfast. I've never really been a sweet potato type of girl, but sweet potato and eggs are a different thing. They're a different vibe. I understand. Like, especially with like a little salt and pepper. Like, I don't know. It's a very simple meal, but I 1000% understand why people eat sweet potato for breakfast. Like, for dinner, I don't know, because dinner I like a little bit more savory vibes, so not really for dinner, but sweet potato for breakfast is so good. So I'm excited to eat that, and I've been making them in the air fryer with a little bit of olive oil drizzled on top. Okay, so you just drizzle a little bit of olive oil, you mix them up, throw them in the air fryer, make your eggs, make your veggie bacon, in this case for me. Then by the time you're done with your eggs and your veggie bacon, so are the sweet potatoes. So that's what we're gonna have for, I guess you can say, brunch. And for dinner, I'm thinking we're gonna have a salmon bowl. I'm indifferent if we're gonna make curry or not, but definitely a salmon bowl, and I'm excited about that. I've just been on a fish kick lately, so we're just gonna do that. Slippers. It's so cute. This is my go-to breakfast right now. An everything bagel with strawberry jam, veggie bacon, sweet potatoes, and 2 eggs. I like to eat this after a workout because it makes me nice and full. It has anti-inflammatory, protein, all the good stuff. This has been my go-to breakfast, I'm gonna say, for like 2 weeks, because Calvin introduced me into sweet potatoes for breakfast, which I am vibing with. He has like a sweet tooth, so he usually introduces me to like sweeter things. Sweet potatoes are good for recovery. It has a good amount of protein. I don't know, it just really carries me throughout the day. Cheers. My everything bagel. You guys, I'm gonna finish this. Cheers. We are gonna make a carrot juice. I like to juice for like 3 to 4 days. I think I have enough for 4, but we'll see. It's gonna be some carrots, 1 apple. I have 6 oranges, and I have so much ginger. But for this juice alone, I'm just gonna use 1 ginger. I tend to add too much ginger, so I'm trying to control myself here. So just 1 hefty ginger. We are completely done chopping. I got a new juicer, so this should go by pretty fast. So good. Yes, so good. Some of the things in 2025 that I want to focus a little bit more on is creating a hobby, which I already have something in mind. It definitely has to do with music. And I also want to lock into my nutrition. I want to cook more. I want to try different cultures like curry or Asian fusion things, or maybe even Mexican food. I feel like Mexican food is very hard because you have to like use the blender and then like roast, but I'm up for the challenge. So tonight I think we're gonna make a curry salmon bowl. Last year we would go out to eat all the time, and like the best meals were like outside. So now I want to get into cooking and try like things that I would typically find intimidating. I just want to try them out. It would be nice to just like have a moment to just be in the kitchen and make something good, maybe even get into meal prep. I don't know, I'm gonna start slow, but I definitely want to learn like new recipes and just kind of have a little bit more fun at home. Definitely starting what I eat in a day series so I can get better at cooking. So wish me luck. I'll see you guys at dinner time. We're back in the kitchen and time for dinner. We're making yellow Thai curry with salmon. So we're making a rice bowl. I love rice bowls for dinner. They're so hearty and so filling. I also love the Asian culture so much, especially their food. So I always pull from it. I just finished prepping the vegetables, potatoes, carrots. I have a little bit of garlic and of course a yellow onion. I feel like this is easier than I was expecting it to be because I found a Thai yellow curry paste. This is the paste that I'm using today. I've used it once before. It was really good. It was so good. I love this meal because it's high on protein. It has vegetables. It's warm.
I got no reason to be sad. My mood is convinced me that it's bad with every emotion that I had, but you don't get. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Oh my God, it's so strange. You're right. I could just send from miles away. It's a freeway to outer space. If you
I'm
give
so
me
proud.
up, baby, I swear
So good.
that would be alright. I'm not scared.
You guys, I'm all done with dinner. I am so freaking proud. Let me close this. I'm so proud of dinner. It's salmon, yellow Thai curry with some white rice. I would literally serve this to Gordon Ramsay. I'm just kidding. I am just kidding, but I am so proud. Honestly, the cooking shows is probably what is in my subconscious mind and is, you know, inspiring me to do this in the first place. But I'm so proud of myself. Calvin, what is it? 1 out of 10?
100 out of 10.
100 out of 10.
Right.
It's so hot, it's so warm. I feel like a hot plate just like is exactly what anyone needs. Okay, I'll do a bite test really quickly. But this is the bite. The plate is so hot. I have to use like my sweater. It's so hot. Oh my God. That curry is so good. I like my curry to be very balanced, not overpowering, not too much spice in any way, like hot spice or spice. And this is just so good. It's so creamy. This is my first time using the Thai coconut milk. Maybe that's why it's so creamy. It's so creamy. You guys, I'm gonna inhale this, but I'm gonna go watch the show and eat this. And for dessert, we're doing Nara Smith's grapes. Anyways, I can talk forever, so I'm gonna finish this and I'll be back. We haven't made a late night snack. We're gonna make Nara Smith's late night snack. All you need is some grapes, some sugar, and a lime. Just gonna grab a couple of grapes. I love sour things, and also my sister suggested this. Put a good amount of lime juice on every single grape. I have some cane sugar. This is the fun part. They're going in the freezer, so they get into like this slushy sensation, which I love ice, and I love like cold like ice cream and stuff like that. I also love sour, so I really hope I love this. Got the late night snack. You want to try one?
I would love to.
It's lime, cotton candy grapes, and some sugar.
You put sugar on the grapes?
Oh my god, that's so good. Mmm. 10 out of 10. Okay, Nara. So good. Are you guys watching Special Forces? Because this show is so good. Here, babe, try one. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.